Hello, today I will be informing you about the dangers of drunk driving. Each year, nearly 13,000 people are killed due to alcohol-related accidents, according to the National Council on Alcoholism and Drug Dependence. Drinking and driving are two things that no one should mix together. These two combinations may result in serious consequences, injuries, and even death. While driving, the brain is already intaking so much. With the addition of alcohol, neurons are altered in the way that they transmit signals, according to Dr. Gorman. Although drinking and driving may appear harmless, since it is such a common occurrence, it should be taken seriously. People are affected every day whether they are involved in an actual accident or not. According to state law, on average, 1 in 3 people will be involved in a drunk driving crash in their lifetime. Despite these shocking statistics, drinking and driving is still something that many people do not take into account. According to the CDC, altogether 31% of all traffic-related deaths are caused by alcohol-related accidents. Choose to not drink and drive, and choose to not be part of that 31%. Many people know that alcohol is a depressant and is more likely to make one act on impulse, but not many people know that these actual effects that it has on the brain. Many components affect the brain when people drink. These include age, gender, weight, time spent drinking, and the amount of alcohol consumed. Certain effects start to emerge depending on the blood alcohol concentration of that certain person. These impairments can include, but are not limited to, less muscle control, poor reflexes, and poor coordination. Another sense that is heavily impacted due to drinking is vision. While consuming a lot of alcohol, sensitivity to light, blurred vision, and a decrease in depth perception are all responses that may occur. Alcohol also changes thought processes and may stimulate or inhibit brain activity, according to Dr. Gorman. This means that depending on the person and how intoxicated he or she is, they may have slowed reaction times, or on the other hand, act on impulse. Now, add driving into the mix with all of these impairments. When intoxicated, a driver is 11 times more likely to be in an accident that is fatal than if they were not under the influence. Driving drunk does not only impact the driver, but it also puts the passengers and other vehicles on the road in danger. Every 120 seconds, someone is injured in a drunk driving accident, according to DoSomething.org. The consequences of driving under the influence are very serious and should be treated as such. People lose friends, family members, teammates, teachers, and many others due to this act of mindlessness. A less serious but still severe result from drinking and driving can be legal consequences. Minor consequences can include the driver's license being suspended or revoked. According to Alcohol Alert, a convicted drunk driver also faces fines, sometimes in the thousands of dollars, jail time, increased insurance costs, attorney fees, court costs, lost time from work, and other penalties that vary from state to state. Despite the slight decrease from years past in drunk driving, it is still a controversial issue and is something that needs to continue decreasing. There are a number of ways that people today can contribute to this decrease. With the impressive technology that we have today, there are many applications and services that you may use to help you avoid drinking and driving. One main app that is used is Uber. Uber is a rideshare service that connects you with the driver from wherever you are at. This is a smart and effective way of getting home safely and averting driving under the influence. Another way to stay safe is by simply calling a taxi, or simply designating a driver in your group. This person is responsible for not drinking so that they are able to drive and make everyone get home safely. Although this concept may be a pain for that specific person, it is a practical solution. Altogether, one must realize the severity of drinking and driving. Consequences are bound to happen no matter the seriousness. Drinking and driving can lead to legal action, injuries, and even death. The brain is already working hard while driving to intake all of the surroundings, but with alcohol, these receptors are slowed way down. Coordination, reflexes, and muscle control are all necessities when it comes to driving. Once again, 31% of all traffic-related deaths are caused by alcohol-related accidents. So, choose to not drink and drive and choose to not be part of that 31%. Remember all of your options before you get behind the wheel. Drinking and driving is extremely dangerous, so choose to be smart about your actions for your own personal safety and others around you. Thank you.